is a new way of how we're doing summer camp, but I promise we're going to make it as fun as possible for you, okay? So today we will be doing sidewalk paint. It's real simple. Most of the stuff you can find around your house. We have measured 2 cups of flour, a cup of water, some dish soap, and some food coloring. Those are your basics. We also have glitter on the side if you want to add glitter in to make it more pretty. And we have paintbrush as well. And we have Ziploc bags. So let's begin.
Alright, so let's get started. First, she's going to put the flour in the bag. As you can see, she's pouring the flour in the bag and making a mess. But that is okay. What's art without a mess, right?
That is true. If you guys know me and Him you always know that Miss Brittany does not use aprons or anything.
Alright, next she's going to put the water in the bag with the flour. Now she's going to close it and shake it to remove the flour.
After you got your water and flour in the bag, you need to go ahead and shake it up. Make sure there are no lumps in the bag. So here we go. Alright, so once you shake your bag up and make sure there's no lumps in it, go ahead and pick whatever food coloring you would like and add 5 to 10 drops of food coloring. Now you have to shake it up again. By the time we get done with this art project, y'all, we're going to be strong. Alright, once you do that, open it up one more time, and you add in about a tablespoon of dish soap. Shake it up one more time. Alright, it should be good to go. It shouldn't be too watery, but it should not be too thick. So next you can either grab a pair of nail clippers or a pair of scissors, which will be easier. And you're going to make a small cut along the end of the bag. You guys, so we have the colors made. We got green, red, this is red, not pink, boys, okay? And yellow. Miss Kari is going to fill the squeeze bottles, and while she's filling the squeeze bottles, I'm going to show you how to make sidewalk paint with glitter. It's the same steps that we did before. You have your cup of flour, you have your cup of water, you have your Ziploc bag, you have your food coloring, you have your dish soap, and you have your glitter. So, again, pour the flour into the bag. Try not to make a mess. I understand sometimes it's hard getting flour in a Ziploc bag.
Just go outside.
Yes, please.
Go outside.
Okay.
So your parents don't be mad.
Yes. Next, we pour the water. Add your 5 to 10 drops of food coloring. I use blue food coloring. You add the glitter. you try to press out as much air as possible. Y'all, my assistant over here, you know, gotta love your assistant. They work, keep the world running.
If I was on here, I would have
Alright, now we shake it up. Remember, do this art project in clothes that your parents are not gonna mind you getting messed up. Just in case some stuff spills, all the stuff is washable. So if it get on your clothes, you know, mom and daddy, granny, they can wash it. Will come out. It's not gonna stay. And voila. We have blue sidewalk paint, puffy paint. Now what I'm doing, remember, you don't want to cut too big of a hole. Take the side of it, cut a little hole in the back. And then you pour it in your container. Now, if you do not have containers like these at home, you can use any empty, clean condiment container, whether it's a mustard container, ketchup container, honey bottle, a dish soap bottle.
ketchup bottle.
As long as it's clean and it's dry. Alright? Alright, you guys, let's go make some sidewalk paint. That's right. If you guys don't have like any condiment bottles at home, always get a paper bowl and pour it in a bowl and paper. Or Q-tips. Now we're just doing a simple scene, which is the sun, grass, and flowers. You can draw whatever you want. You can draw your favorite character. You can try to draw your mommy,
Friends.
Superman, because he's the best. Better than
Captain
Batman.
America.
Ooh, my favorite flower is a sunflower. You guys, fun doing arts and crafts with you 9 and up-year-olds. This is the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoy virtual camp. Again, this is a simple, cheap, cost-effective art project that you
I
can
can't
do.
draw y'all. Don't do that.
I'm Miss Ripley again. See you guys another time. It's okay. No one's gonna judge your art. It's only you. Like I said, if you guys are tired of being stuck in the house, you can go right outside your house. You can go in the garage.